Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends, those who are watching my videos. So, my name is Samir Kamal. I am the student of Bachelor of Technology from Krishna Institute of Engineering College. Uh, Today, my topic is food delivery app backend and API development that we made the last 1 month from the help of WSA Academy. All the teachers and the mentors, all all uh, be, all faculty members have the good behavior, and everything is good. If we have any doubt related to the internship, so they help us very well. uh, we take the screenshot, otherwise share the code in the discussion forum, so they replied as well as uh, write things, they guide properly how to how to do that, and any other things. So uh, we start the today's presentation. In this project, we build a complete food ordering system using MERN stack. I will explain the backend structure, authentication, and how API is work. Uh, Now move to the first slide. uh, that the structure of the project. So first of all, first thing is the server.js. That is the main entry point. It connects the database and start the server on the specific port. uh, server server.js help us to uh, entry point in the database. Database means you can use any type of database that you can to use in the project, like MongoDB हो गया, Eclipse हो गया, या फिर जो भी आप यूज़ करना चाहें वो. So second thing is app.js. In the app.js, here we configure Express, middleware, and core body parsers and connect all routes. Means app.js provide us the facilities to to connect all routes. Our next folder is config keeps database connections and could set up separate and clean code. मीन्स जो कॉन्फ़िग होता है आपका, वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत ईजिली दिखाता है और कनेक्शंस आपके बहुत ईजिली हो जाते हैं. एंड आवर अदर फाइल इज़ env फाइल. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. In this file, we store secrets like JWT secret and database URI here. We never push it to Git. Means this folder we don't have to put the GitHub. Okay. So we take this env file secret. Our next folder is package.json. This is the packages offer from the MongoDB. So in this package.json, we have many packages that we have to use in the project. We can easily import and use that. ठीक है. Means in the package.json, list all dependencies like Express, Mongoose, Bicrypt that we want to do. And our next slide is MVC pattern. Means how how our schemas like model, user model dot js, schema validation, database queries, मतलब जो भी इसमें हम स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसमें जो भी हम वैलिडेशन लगा रहे हैं, जो भी हमारी डेटाबेस की क्वेरीज हैं, मीन्स रिक्वेस्ट को फेच करना, पुट करना, everything that we can do. Here view and routes, here view and routes app.js plus authentications, means http endpoint middleware. Auth.js help us to give the authentication. मतलब this has the logic: sign up, create user, login checks, password, and gives token, get user profile, give data of login in users. Next our is control auth control.js. Here business logic, JWT generation, means here we use protect middleware. It check if JWT token is valid before giving access to admin routes. Now move to the next slide. User authentication complete flow, means how to user authenticate with a project, means a model like users first enter email and password, and the check logins, and then server check if user exists in database. If correct, server create a JWT token and sign it with secret key. This token is sent back to frontend and stored in local storage. Now, for every request like get and order, frontend send this token in header. Server verify the token, and if valid and not expired, it allows access. If invalid, it returns 401 unauthorized, means the user is not authorized to log in because his data is not matched in the database. So database reject the request and return 401 unauthorized. Benefit of user authentication: it is stateless. Server does not need to remember sessions. That is why JWT is used in all modern apps. Now move to the next slide. Authentication models and control details. Here we have user model that JS, authentication models and controllers detail, means user model डॉट जेएस में क्या क्या होता है और auth controller डॉट जेएस में क्या क्या हो सकता है. जैसे कि यूज़र क्या करेगा, mongoose schema with validation rule, यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर होगा और वैलिडेशन रूल्स लिखे जाएंगे. पासवर्ड हैजिंग विया बिक्रिप्ट बिफोर सेव, JWT sign method that I explained before some time. So custom compare password for login checks, auth controller sign up, create user, return JWT, login, validate, issue token, log out, clear cookie token, forget password, reset, and update profile, patch user data. Means if we forget the password of our ID, so we forget password, then generate a reset token. So all this thing, all sensitive operations are protected by the protect middleware, which verifies the JWT before granting access. How JWT authentication work? सबसे पहले JWT टोकन के ऑथेंटिकेशन में क्या होता है, ये काम कैसे करता है? देखिए, सबसे पहले जो हमारा यूज़र होता है वो लॉगिन कर रहा होता है रिक्वेस्ट को, लॉगिन के रिक्वेस्ट को भेजता है, और वो क्या हो गया, देखिए यहाँ पे पोस्ट हुआ। पोस्ट होने के बाद में जो हमारा डेटाबेस में जाके उसकी चेकिंग होती है कि वो वैलिडेट है या फिर नहीं है, कहीं पासवर्ड तो उसका मिसमैच नहीं हुआ है। और फिर साइन JWT टोकन सर्वर जनरेट्स अ साइन टोकन विथ यूज़र ID पेलोड and again server send the return token to the client that we know as the response. Client sends token include in authentication. Server verifies that token access. If the ID and password matched, then we get the access. Otherwise, it rejected, and we get the error 401 response. If we log in, so protected data return that the ID of us reflected at the display. Now move to the next slide. JWT token lifecycle visuals overview. The JWT flow is stateless. The server does not store session data. Every request carried its own proof of identity, missing in detail and scalable distribute. APIs. Token payload include user ID and it expiry enforced via expires in option. Reference token pattern can extend session securely. Client logins. First, client logins and send credentials, and then server issue token sign JWT with secrets, like we enter the email ID and password, so it sent from the client to the server, and server checks client stores and send token authentication header on each request. Server validates and responds, verify signature, check expiry, return data or 401. If they got the data, so return the data, otherwise they return the they return refused 401. Now move to the next slide. HTTP request method. HTTP में रिक्वेस्ट मेथड कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? आपका पहला क्या होता है, गेट मेथड, जो कि आपका क्या करता है, फेच करता है डेटा को, कहाँ से, सर्वर से. Like we enter get restaurants, so return the full restaurant list, that all the restaurants present in the database. And next, post method is used to create something, like something, if we want to add the new restaurant, so we post the data. पुट, फुल अपडेट, पैच, पार्शियल अपडेट्स के लिए काम आता है. लाइक we have a restaurant but we want to add some some dishes, so we use patch. Delete, use for remove data, permanently delete all the resources and removes the account. Now next, key takeaways: MVC architecture, JWT security, RESTful design, consistent HTTP method, use get, put, post, delete, makes the API intuitive and predictable. Modern JavaScript, uh, async or await, replace callback, hell with readable sequences, async code throughout the backend. Now I hope you all understand the PPT, and thank you sir and ma'am. So hello, we have to this food delivery app finally. In the food delivery app, we have two folders. Main we have two folders, backend and front end. So that those folder we have to produce the final project. Um we have to run this project. Go to the three dots, terminal, new terminal. We have to open the new terminal. This you see here is more terminals open, so close that terminals and open only a new terminal. Split them out to two terminals. I think here is a extra terminal, so close this. Here we have two terminals, so one terminal is used for backend and other is used for front end. Okay, so if we want to on the backend, so here is run a command cd dot backslash backend backslash enter, and then run another command npm start. So here you get the backend start node server.js, and here is running the command. Now here server started on port 8080 in development mode. Okay, and here is I think here is running the command, and then right here MongoDB connected till we start the front end. Cd dot backslash front-end front end enter, and then to run the front end npm run dev. So here local host आ गया, so copy this control C and paste it. Now you can see we have restaurants, view review summary, and you have all. This is the our final user interface. Images is not showing because there is some issues. So this is our final project. So thank you in the last, and